everybody. We are discussing about the outcome-based education. So that is the need of 21st century. Every institution, right from school to the college, university, everybody has to implement this outcome-based education. And today I'm going to talk about the benefits, like how this will improve the betterment in the students' life. Actually, the outcome-based education curriculum means starting with a clear picture of what is important for students to be able to do, and then organizing the curriculum, instruction, and assessment to make sure this learning ultimately happens. So this is where we are going to start from the destination point, like what is that is going to happen to the students when they complete this particular program, how they will be able to perform as a professional. So if they have to do that, then what sort of education we need to provide to them? So what sort of teaching, learning, what sort of curriculum, instruction, the assessment, the hands-on experience, even the evaluation. So all these things are made based on the outcome, what we want the students to achieve. So that is what we are seeing. And I'm going to talk to you about four important points. One is clarity of focus. This means that everything teachers do must be clearly focused on what they want students to know, understand, and be able to do. So this is very, very important. Whatever we teach, the students should be able to understand the concept. It is not by hearting something. Understand what is it talking about, what is this concept talking about, and where it will be used. So in other words, teachers should focus on helping students to develop the knowledge, skills, and personalities that will enable them to achieve the intended outcomes that have been very, very clearly articulated. So this is very, very important. And the second one is designing down. So it means that the curriculum design must start with a clear definition of the intended outcomes that students are to achieve by the end of the program. Once this has been done, all instructional decisions are then made to ensure achieve this desired result. And then the high expectations. It means that the teachers should establish high challenging standards of performance in order to encourage students to engage deeply in what they are learning. This is very, very important. Students come to college or school and just attend to the class and they go back. The engagement is very, very minimal. So this has to be taken care that these students have very good engagement with whatever they are learning. And the teachers have to make the subjects very interesting so that the students engage with their lecture, and helping students to achieve high standards in it, that is very important. The standard is very, very important, and that should be very closely linked with the idea of successful learning, which promotes a more successful learning. So there should be some goal, there should be some passion, there should be some engagement, there should be some vision, and there should be some meaning in learning whatever they are learning, and expanded opportunities. So teachers must strive to provide expanded opportunities for all the students. This principle is based on the idea that not all learners can learn the same thing in the same way and in the same time. This is very, very important. We cannot assume that everybody will have the same mindset and the same intellectual mindset and abilities. They will have individual different abilities. So we cannot think that everybody will learn at the same time in the same way. So however, most students can achieve high standards if they are given opportunities. Appropriate opportunities are to be given to these students in order to achieve success in life. So outcome-based education is the need of the hour, and there should be a complete transformation in the teaching learning process. And the teachers are to be trained very well, and regular updation of these things, teaching learning process has to be done for the faculty for bringing the student-driven atmosphere in their institution. And that will definitely help The teachers also to give a proper teaching methodologies to the students, and students also will have the opportunity to participate, engage themselves and become future ready. So this is what is ultimately required to our country, that the students should come out with good knowledge and skill expertise. So the skills expertise is the need of the hour, along with the knowledge and more of hands-on experience. Rather than sitting and listening to the theory, they need to apply the concept. So the curriculum should be designed in such a way that they have more opportunities and time, space for hands-on experience and the practical experience for the students. Stay blessed.